Hi everyone, I'm Netanel, and today I will show you a live demo of a web test automation framework which written in Python. The UI tests were developed using Selenium. The testing framework that was used is PyTest. We will run the test in parallel on Docker containers from Jenkins, and the Allo report will be attached to the job and the end of the run. So let's see it in action. This is the site that I chose to use for the framework. It's a digital store site. We can search for items, adding item to the cart, adding item to compare list, and so on. Let's take a look on the project in PyCharm. I created two test classes. The first test class checking basic things like the title of the site is correct and the URL is correct, and the second test class checking functionality like that the search is correct and that we can add item to the cart and add item to compare. So as I said, I will run the test on Docker containers, and I'm using Selenium UI. It's advanced Selenium grid implementation. So let's open the command line and enter docker ps. So we see two containers from Selenite, and let's type docker image and see all the available Docker images that I have, Edge, Firefox, Chrome, etc. Okay, so let's open Jenkins. I already created a job that's called Python Selenium. Let's open it. And let's see how I configured it. So I'm cloning the project from my personal GitHub account, and then I am running the test using PyTest command. In parallel, I will run all 5 tests in parallel and saving a Allo report to this path. And of course, post-build action will create a report from the files of this path. Okay, so let's back to the job and build it. So the job has started, and if we will open the console output, we can see that it's cloning it from GitHub, and the test will start to run soon. Let's check on Selenoid, and we can see 5 tests. This is the live execution inside the Docker container, and we can see the execution. So it's searching for items with HTC and finding it, finishing the test, closing the container, and that's all. We see that all 5 tests have passed, and now it's generate the report to Jenkins. Okay, so the build finished successfully. Let's back to the job homepage and open the Allo report. We can see the report that all the tests have passed. Let's expand the test. We can see the details of the test, like the description of the test, the functions that used for the setup, all the steps in the log. Of course, it's saved also to external log file. And that's all. All the project is sitting on my personal GitHub account. The link for this repository can be found in the video description. So thanks for watching.